Hello friends! Today, after you are done with your NWEA test, you are going to grab a mystery picture. What you're going to do with this is first, you're going to solve these two-digit addition problems, and they do not use regrouping. So you're just solving, just like you would do with letter A, 5 plus 3 is 8, 7 plus 1 is 8. So your answer here would be 88. Once you have solved all of these different answers, you'll see a color up there at the top. So I know for letter A, the answer was 88, and it has the color yellow. So that means anywhere in my little picture over here where I see an 88, I'm going to color it yellow. So I see one here in the corner, I see a couple here, there's one here, see a couple over here. So anywhere I see an 88, I'm going to color it yellow. Letter B, whatever my answer is, I'm going to color it brown. C is orange. D is yellow again. E is light brown. So if you don't have a light brown, there's a light brown and there's a brown. So I would shade lightly if it's light brown and shade darker if it just says brown. Letter F is yellow again. G is orange. H is brown. I is yellow. J is light brown, K is brown, and L is yellow. So there's going to be more than one answer that goes with the color. So there might be a few other answers where you also color them yellow. Once you finish, you should see what the mystery picture is. It should be quite clear once you've colored all your squares. So when you get done with that, you're going to set it to the side and go ahead and on a Dreambox to complete a lesson or two.